I grabbed this Shamrock Wreath form at the Dollar Tree and I laid it down backwards. And I'm going to take this green burlap that I picked up at Walmart. It comes in a roll. And I'm going to sift it through the first and the last space. And I'm going to kind of wrap it around that center rail. And I'm going to be slipping it in from the bottom. You want both sides to be even. And then you're just going to push it forward, kind of like a ruffle. And you want to make sure you use enough burlap to kind of make it fit tightly in there. Burlap is nice because it's not slippery, so it doesn't easily unravel. And the reason I did this method was mostly because I only had so much burlap to work with. I didn't want to run out. And it also just kept my ruffles smaller, so it didn't overtake the wreath form. I really wanted it to outline it. Then you're going to flip it over, and you're going to push zip ties. I chose black because they wouldn't be seen from the other side, through the burlap, and I'm kind of grabbing that center rail. And this is just going to keep everything in place. And I'm just going to continue to do this method all the way around. If you run out and have to restart, you're just going to continue the way you just started here. It should not affect anything. And I kind of stopped in each section to put my zip ties through and clip them back. And you do want smaller zip ties so they feed through that burlap easily, as you can see mine is doing. Then I found this tea towel and I literally glued it to the back of my form with hot glue and cut it around. Guys, I'm sorry I lost that video. So we're just going to have to, it really was very simple. I ran the hot glue right around the rim, placed the tea towel, and then trimmed it out with a pair of scissors. And then I just made a basic bow using the buffalo check and tied it just before the stem of the shamrock. And then I found a random bell that I had and put it in the center of my ribbon. I try to keep this simple. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much and have a great day.